power of nursing to make a difference in people's lives. She was dubbed as the lady with a lamp. After her habit of making rounds at night during the Crimean War, Nightingale believed that God had called her to be a nurse.
She is a ministering angel without any exaggeration in those hospitals, and as her slender form glides quietly along each corridors. Every poor fellow's face softens with gratitude at the sight of her. When all the medical officers have retired for the night, and silence and darkness have settled down upon those miles of prostrate sick, she may be observed, alone, with a lamp in her hands, making her solitary rounds.
The lamp is a symbol of commitment and dedication. The Florence Nightingale lamp is a honored icon of the nursing profession. The symbol of nurses, Florence Nightingale is the one who pioneered nursing for women in the mid-19th century. She used to carry a lamp with her when taking care of the wounded during the Crimean War. It also symbolizes nursing education, gentleness, and care.